Let's buy tickets and go inside. Yes, I want to see all the animals. Let's go! Let's go see the animals. Wow, this place is huge. I hear animals already. Let's explore the zoo. Lion.
Hello, kids. Welcome to Berry Zoo.
Yeah!
Hi, kids. I'm a lion. King of the jungle.
You are the king. Bye, lion. Hi, kids. See you. Welcome to the zoo. Hi, elephant.
Hi, kids. I'm a cheetah, the fastest animal.
Whoa! Cheetah, cheetah, fast and light. Running quick and fast. Too fast, too furious. Hi, kids. I'm a monkey butt. I'm the most playful animal. Monkeys are so playful. Bye, monkeys. Let's see the next animal. Let's go!
Hi, kids. I'm a giraffe, the tallest animal.
Yeah! Wow, so tall. Hello, giraffe. You're so big. Bye, giraffe. Let's go to the next animal.
I'm a deer. I am gentle and graceful.
So gentle. Hello, dear.
Hi, kids. I'm a crocodile, Bert. I am strong and love water.
Wow, so cool. Wow, it swims so well. So funny. Bye, crocodile.
Hi, kids. I'm a flamingo. I stand on one leg.
Wow, so pretty. So pretty and graceful. Bye, flamingo. Let's go to the next animal. Let's go! Hi, kids. I'm a baby hippo. I love to splash and play. You're so funny, baby hippo. See you next time.
Hi, kids. I'm a hornbill. I have a big, colorful beak.
Wow, so big. So colorful. Bye, hornbill. Let's see more animals. Let's go!
Hi, kids. I'm a panther. I am strong and silent.
Wow, so cool. So quiet and strong. Bye, panther.
Hi, kids. I'm a python, long and strong.
Wow, so pretty. It moves so smoothly. So pretty. Bye, snake.
Hi, kids. I'm a tiger. I am strong and brave.
Wow, so brave. So strong and brave. Bye, tiger. See you.
Hi, kids. I'm a gorilla. I am strong and gentle.
Wow, so strong. Wow, you are so strong. Are you friendly?
Yes, I am gentle.
We like you. You're so nice.
Hi, kids. I'm a rhino. I am big and strong.
Oh, it's friendly. Yeah. Wow, how strong, Rhino! Bye, Rhino! Today was the best day ever! I loved all the animals! Let's take a group photo!
Come closer.
Say cheese! Cheese!